He began building monster trucks of their own. On page 6. Well, that's because there are like some background. Then Bob had a new idea. He drove his truck over some old cars. Bigfoot flattened them into a car pancake. Hey, Yada, do you have any big things of syrup?
Big things of syrup?
Yeah, because it's car pancakes, so we can just pour a lot of syrup on them and eat them.
I don't think there's enough syrup in the world to eat those cars.
Why?
They're not real pancakes.
Over some old cars. Bigfoot flattened them into car pancakes. The crowds loved it. Monster trucks had a new trick. Before long, people started to my teacher said looking at the pictures helps you. Before long, people started to race monster trucks. The trucks were already strong. Now they had to be fast too. I read the word "too" a lot. Ooh, that'll look. Now they're actually monsters. Some trucks have crazy, amazing.
No, some trucks have crazy names.
Names like
Nightmare.
The Crash. The Crash. And the Crash Monster.
Master.
The Crash Master. Hey, the Crash Master is actually kind of a good name.
Not a bad name.
And what's this name?
Towasaurus Rex.
And Towasaurus Rex. Is this the word Rex?
Yep.
Some are painted to look like old.
Wild. It's a tough word. You want to try it?
Creatures.
Good.
Wild creatures. But they all are.
Roar.
They all roar like monsters. Mom, was that 5 minutes? Is that 5 minutes?
It's been 4 minutes and 28 seconds. We'll read a couple more words and you can be done.
Monster trucks are amazing. They are very heavy.
Heavy, good.
They are very heavy, yet they can jump more than 20 feet in the air.
Good.
hug.
Huge.
Huge monsters.
Motors.
Huge motors help them fly. These motors can be 6 times more powerful than a car engine.
Great.
I thought it was 10. I thought they were going to say 10 times.
Only 6 times.
But that still is a lot. They make a lot of noise too. How many minutes was that?
6 minutes.
That was 6 minutes?
Yep.
I just want to keep eating.
Okay.
Oh, Dada, look at this. Oh, wait till. I want to stop eating actually.
Okay.
Oh, Dada, remember this part where they put tiny wheels on?
Oh, yeah.
Those trucks must be big. Are they?
They're really big.
Those trucks?
Yeah.
Not the monster trucks, the trucks that carry them?
Well, yeah, they have to be even bigger than the monster trucks in order to fit the monster trucks in them.
Oh, now look, then they put the wheels back on. And then they get ready. And then you see a mini monster truck. And then they line up. And then they race 2 by 2. And then freestyle, where they jump on vans. And then they do twists. And the fans come up and then they race again. And then the stores all over.